Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with a lovely poem, Opposite Day by Ken Nesbitt. Before we start the poem, let's learn something about the poet. Ken Nesbitt is an American children's poet born on Feb 20th, 1962. He was given the title Children's Poet by the Poetry Foundation. Okay, before I start with the explanation, let me tell you what is opposites. Opposites are the words that are completely different from each other in meaning. Let's see with example. Clean, dirty, full, empty, good, bad, fat, thin. Okay, these are some of the opposites. As it's a lengthy poem, children, we are going to do the first 3 stanzas first, and tomorrow we will do the remaining 4 stanzas. Okay, so let me read the first stanza. It is an opposite day, it is an opposite day, the day to do the things in the opposite way. Here the poet is repeating the first 2 lines, saying that it is an opposite day, it is an opposite day, a day when everything is different from the normal day. A day where we are going to do the things in the opposite manner. We are not going to do in the normal manner as we normally do, but we are going to do it in the opposite manner. Let me read the second stanza. I wear my pant backward, my shirt inside out. I scream to talk softly, I whisper to shout. The poet is saying, I am not going to wear the pant normally as I wear with my zip in front, but I am going to wear it backward. I am going to wear with my zip behind, and I am not going to tug the shirt inside, but I am going to tug half of the shirt and half of it I am going to keep it out. And normally when we scream means saying very loudly. The poet is saying कि I am going to scream very softly in a very slow manner. And plus he says whispering. I am going to whisper loudly with a shout. Normally what is whisper? When you go and tell somebody in their ears, that is whispering. We do very slowly, but the poet is saying that I am going to shout and whisper. Right? I have understood the second stanza. Let's move to the third one. I write with my foot, I kick with my hand, I stare with my eyes closed, and I sit down to stand. Yeah, normally we write with our hand, but the poet is saying, as it is opposite day, we are going to write with foot. We are going to write it with foot, holding the pencil in the foot. And he's saying, normally we play football with our foot, but the poet is saying, as it is opposite day, we are going to kick the ball with the hand. Okay, and he's saying, I am going to stare with eyes closed. You know what is staring? When you look somebody with anger. Right? That is staring. The poet is saying, I am not going to open my eyes widely and stare, but I am going to close my eyes and I am going to stare at somebody. And he says, I will sit, I will stand, and I will sit. Means I will sit with my leg straight. So children, I hope you have understood the 3 stanzas. Tomorrow we will meet you with the next 4 stanzas. Till then, goodbye.